In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sierra Chart Footprint. By the end, you'll have the numbers bars study, also known as the footprint, displayed right on your chart so you can analyze order flow with confidence. First, start inside Sierra Chart with the chart you want to analyze already open. Make sure it's the symbol and time frame you care about, and that the chart is active, meaning you've clicked on it so it has focus. This matters because the study you're about to add applies to the currently active chart. If you have multiple charts open, take a second to confirm you're on the right one before moving on. Next, press the F6 key on your keyboard. This opens the Add Study window. Think of this window as your toolbox for technical studies and visualizations. If pressing F6 doesn't bring anything up, verify that your chart is selected and not another panel or window within the platform. Some keyboards also require the function key to be held down, so try that if needed. Once the Add Study window appears, you're in the right place. Inside the Add Study window, use the search field to look for numbers bars. This is Sierra Chart's footprint study. Numbers bars display detailed traded volume at each price level, typically showing how much traded on the bid versus the ask. Instead of just seeing a candle or bar, you'll see the inner workings of the market at every tick of price, which can help you read absorption, imbalances, and where traders are being more aggressive. Type numbers bars into the search box, and you should see it listed. If you see multiple related entries, the standard numbers bars is the core footprint study most people start with. Once you've found it, click Add to attach it to your chart. After you click Add, the study will apply immediately, and you should see your chart update with the footprint view. Give it a moment if your data is loading. What you'll now see is a rich, data-driven representation of the current and historical bars, with the numbers laid out to show activity at each price. This is your confirmation that the footprint is active and ready. From here, you can observe how volume distributes within each bar. Even with default settings, you'll gain insights into market aggression and balance without changing anything else. If you want to refine things later, such as colors, display styles, or additional columns, you can revisit the same study window and explore options at your own pace. For now, the key is that your chart is open. You've pressed F6, searched for numbers bars, and clicked Add to bring the footprint onto your screen.